Can you put protein powder in coffee? If you're wondering whether you can put protein powder in your coffee, you'll be happy to hear the answer is yes, you can put protein powder in coffee. Why put protein powder in coffee? Rather than having your coffee in one hand and a protein shake in the other, you can bring these two together to enjoy a delicious, energy-boosting cup of joe. Protein and coffee both have a ton of health benefits, so it just makes sense to combine them. Protein helps give you energy and is an essential part of any diet. It helps build and repair body tissues, among other benefits. Plus, if you exercise regularly, supplementing with protein can help increase the size and strength of your muscles. Overall, if you care about your health, then drinking protein-packed coffee is a great habit to form. Whatever your goals, adding protein powder to your coffee can help support your nutrition and give you that extra boost whenever you need it. When to put protein powder in coffee? Breakfast is often considered to be the most important meal of the day, so it makes sense to start your day off strong with a protein-packed breakfast. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, and who doesn't love a good cup of joe to kick off your morning? So, adding protein powder to your morning brew is a great idea. If you're working out, an Aloe Boost before or after you exercise can help your muscles recover faster. You can even put protein powder in your coffee to drink in the evening, but consider going with a decaf option so you don't have trouble sleeping. How to put protein powder in coffee? You don't have to ruin your delicious coffee with clumpy protein powder just to get that extra boost. There's an easier and much more delicious way to add protein powder to your coffee. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more videos about coffee.